Hello guys, are you looking for your next go-to look? Meet the Coco Twist. It's the perfect blend of elegance and effortless style. These twists are known for their beautiful curled texture that gives you a natural, voluminous finish without the heavy weight. Whether you are heading to the office or a weekend brunch, Coco Twists are incredibly versatile. You can wear them down, throw them into a chic top knot, or even a low ponytail. But the best part about this hairstyle is they are fantastic protective style that keeps your natural hair tucked away and healthy. Now, let's talk maintenance to keep those twists looking fresh for weeks. Remember to keep your scalp happy. Use a light oil or a diluted witch hazel spray to prevent itchiness. Hydration is key. Lightly mist your twists with a leave-in conditioner or water-based spray to keep them shining. Always remember to never skip the silk. Wear a satin bonnet or use a silk pillowcase at night to prevent frizz and friction. With just a little bit of love, your Coco Twist will stay sleek and beautiful from day 1 to week 4. This hairstyle is simple, stylish, and stunning. And again, remember to avoid heavy creams. This can cause buildup inside the twist, which is hard to wash out. Use a soft bristle brush and a light edge control to keep your hairline looking neat without tension. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.